Hey guys, Dean here. In today's dropshipping video, we're going to be jumping into the top 5 winning products that you can try and dropship on your e-commerce store in November 2022. Q4 has rolled up, guys, so we've got Christmas, we've got Black Friday coming up, we've got all of these seasonal holidays where it's the best time to start pushing out those ad campaigns to try and sell your products. So in this month's video, I'm going to help you out by showing you 5 different products that you can try and sell during this push towards the end of the year. Okay, boys, so the first product we're going to take a look at is this multifunctional manual 6-wheel neck massager. So this is in the health and beauty space and the self-care kind of niche. This is a very popular product. Now, a lot of people try to sell these gizmos, and it's really dependent on how you market it, okay? If you don't have a powerful video, if you don't have a video showcasing why this product's good, how it solves a problem, you're not going to be able to sell it because it does have a bit of a strange look to it. But a lot of these Chinese gizmos and products can actually be sold if you have a good video. This usually works if you have some kind of influencer making the video, or if you have some kind of maybe a female model in a video using the product, because this is predominantly a female product. Most men probably wouldn't buy this, but the reason why this product's good is it's in that kind of pain and discomfort category. So an obvious thing that we can highlight that someone has some kind of discomfort or pain, and this product is going to offer that solution to them. So this is going to be a trend in this video. I'm going to mainly show you products. In fact, all 5 of these products are on the CJ Dropshipping website. If you want to know how to fulfill products on CJ and how to use CJ Dropshipping and link it to your Shopify store and import products and find winning products on there, do check out the link below, and I'll also try and remember to put a link on a video card so you can go to it too. I do have a full video on how to use CJ Dropshipping, so I'm not going to go over the intricacies of that specifically in this video. This is just going to show you 5 great products to take a look at. So like I said, the reason to sell this product is there's pain and discomfort in someone's neck and they want to relieve that. There's tension. They could go to somewhere like a massage parlor or a masseuse to do the same thing, but maybe to save money they can just buy this device and solve it at home, because most people are intrinsically lazy, so they like to do things at home. They like to kind of put things off. So that could be how you could sell this product and why people would find it convenient to buy it. Now, the reason why CJ is good is it shows you the shipping fee and the service fee. The quantities you can order at is greater than 1, so you can buy multiple units. And it also shows us the drop shipping price, right? And we can take a look at the inventory costs to ship to different countries and select which platform we're selling on. So like I said, do check out that video to learn more about CJ Dropshipping. So this is the product. You can see some good product images, the dimensions. Some of these product images are already edited, so they have no watermarks on them, so we can easily reuse this. And you can see the product actually being used and applied in a specific situation. So to sell this, guys, I recommend putting this in a niche-based store, making a store around pain relief and products which help people. And you could put a few of these massage products in there too. There's a few of them in this video which are of very similar niches. You can make a general store or a niche store with most of these products in that I'm going to feature, but this comes in blue and pink, so it could be multi-gendered you could sell this to, but for the most part you're going to probably sell this to women. So I'd recommend this as a niche-based store. I don't think this is a hero product that you can sell with a single store based entirely around it, but I do think it's a pretty cool product which has some power to sell, but it's all about the marketing with this one. Next up is this crystal hair remover. So this basically tries to remove hair from your body in a painless and safe manner, okay? And it's reusable. So a lot of people are going to want to use that. So if we just take a scroll around this product, we can see we have multiple different colors. We have a few product images over here. You can see it being used. Like when you go somewhere to maybe wax your body and you use wax to remove hair, it's extremely painful, right? Well, this product says painless and safe, which is going to be the pull to it, because people don't want to layer their legs in wax and yeet all the hairs out of the legs because it's so painful. And you also have some before and after shots too, which you could use to market the product. So you already have some material here that we can use on a store page, and you can see where it's actually applicable. Now, I don't know why a man would use this particularly unless he's doing some kind of like bodybuilding shot. I think this would be pretty silly for a male to use. I'd recommend marketing this to females, because a lot of women obviously like to remove the hairs on their legs. They don't want to have hairy legs. They may be even able to use this on armpit hair as well. A lot of women want easy hair removal products which aren't painful, so they can obviously have very smooth and clear skin. So this is a product you could definitely sell to them. So shipping fee is estimated on the location. You've got the service fee down here and the drop shipping price that we can upsell it as. So this is made of ABS plastic and glass. So always look at the materials when you're shipping these products. Make sure you're not shipping anything which is dangerous or shipping something that could easily get broken. Glass products can get broken, but that's a very small element of this. So I think it's should be entirely fine to ship. It's eco-friendly, so we could use those buzzwords to market it as well. A lot of women who are maybe vegan or love the planet, they might want to buy something that's eco-friendly and feel like they're actually contributing something good to the planet and not having a bad negative eco footprint. So you could definitely use that in the marketing campaign, obviously to your benefit. And there's just product information here which shows why this product is good, and you can use this all in a product description. Like I said, writing product descriptions does take a lot of effort, but we have a lot of media. A lot of these products which I'm showing in this video have a lot of great media to already use. And when you write a product page, I'm going to outline this in my dropshipping course, which I'm currently working on. When you write a product page, you want to write one main reason why that product's great, and you want to follow it by 4 or 5 bullet points of the pros of that product, right? And the reason why this listing's great is it already gives you these, so you don't even need to be creative and think about them. It's pain-free, easy to use, no razor bumps created after, which is particularly important because cheap products to shave your beard and stuff are just really annoying. It saves money, no mess, and it's eco-friendly. So this is all of the points you're going to use to market this product and appeal to customers for your specific demographic, okay? So all the information's already on this page, and it looks like a pretty easy product to make a video about. I don't know if this would be good for viral TikTok marketing, but it'd be very easy to make a product video of this, which just gets straight to the point. I think this would be pretty successful if you're using Facebook ads. Next up is this hair straightener. This is a new 2-in-1 hair straightener. It's a hot comb. It's a negative ion curling tong, dual purpose electric hairbrush. So if you've seen people straighten the hair, usually maybe if you have a sister or maybe you've seen your mum do it, you have hair straighteners, but usually they're in 2 parts. They're like a tong, right? They clap together and you clap them onto your hair and then slowly move it down, and it'll use heat, apply heat to your hair follicles or the strands of your hair, and from the heat it will make them go straight if you're naturally curly or wavy. So this does the same thing, yet it's not a 2-piece thing. It's just like a normal hairbrush, and it uses heat. So it's not a 2-piece tong like most hair straighteners are. So that's the attractive feature. That's the gimmick. It's a little bit different. And you can see we have before and after shots and anti-scalding design, constant temperature protection, and temperature regulation. So these are all specific things you need to really pay attention to on your product page. Now, a lot of suppliers actually sell this. You can find all these products on AliExpress, by the way, if you don't want to use CJ dropshipping, if you want to have higher margins, but your shipping times will be slower. But a lot of dropshipping suppliers do offer this product, and some of them are from different manufacturers. So I'd recommend ordering a sample of this hair comb, because I did see someone on YouTube order a sample of one of these and they didn't really work. It wasn't a very effective product. Remember, you want to test it on someone before you sell it. Make sure it actually does what it says. Make sure it's actually hot enough to straighten someone's hair, because if you're going to sell it and it doesn't work, you're going to get returns, right? But the actual concept of this product is great. Here we have some product information about the specifics of the product and the technology. We can include all of these on our product page. They're already professionally edited in Photoshop. There's diagrams pointing to the product's design and also things related to their temperature, which I really recommend actually putting on your page to show customers. You can see some before and after shots, which is really important with a few of these products I'm showing you today. And the things about the temperature you're going to definitely have to disclose. Any product which creates excess heat is a potential danger. Now, I would make sure when you're shipping these that you try and ship them without batteries, because then that's a lot safer for the customer to refill the batteries. So even if you find a different model, that's fine, but the concept of this product is definitely a winning product, and I think this would be good particularly on marketing on TikTok, because TikTok has a high female demographic and a lot of teenage girls will probably want to use this to straighten their hair. So it's just a simple product. The next one is this. I actually found this through TikTok. I actually saw it a while ago and I've seen it on a few other people's videos, so I do actually like this product. And yet again, we're marketing to the teenage demographic, and when you think about who you're marketing to, you need to think about what platform are they predominantly on. Most young people, most teenagers, they leverage TikTok as the main social media, okay? So this is going to be another one that you're going to make a TikTok viral video for free, or you're going to use TikTok ads for. This is an automatic door closer, and basically, I'll just show you the video. If someone leaves your door open after leaving your room, which is something that always seems to happen, we've all dealt with it. This product, you attach it to your door and then to the hinge, and once they leave, the door will automatically close by itself. You peel off the sticker, you apply it to the door frame, pull the little ribbon onto the door, and every time you open the door, it automatically closes it. It doesn't matter if it goes sideways or if it goes outwards, forwards, or back. Doesn't matter on the type of door, it's an automatic door closer. So this device is a big gimmick kind of device, you know, it's got a big wow factor. It solves a problem of basically everyone's lazy. I've said this earlier in the video, everyone's lazy, so this obviously offers something for that. And the paste doesn't leave a trace on your wall. So if someone's renting an apartment, for an example, they're not going to damage the property by actually using this. So that's another important thing which you can mention on the product page. We've got all the margins and prices over here, the package size when you're shipping it, which is very important. Then we have the overview. We have 5 different key points. Multifunctional automatic door closer. It's great for home use, small offices, sheds, ranches, and home offices. So you can obviously market this to adults who have a house, but I'd recommend this is great for teenagers who are annoyed with their parents coming in the room. I think you could make an ad campaign around that because it's a lot easier. This is information about the actual product's safety. It's antioxidation, anti-corrosion, no rust. It's stable, it's wear resistant, weather resistant, so you can use it outside. Hydraulic, quiet, and safe closing. So it's kind of covert, it doesn't make too much noise. So if people are sleeping, it's actually pretty good too. Which it'd be interesting to test it to see if it slams certain doors, because that'd just create a lot of noise, but it claims not to. There's 50,000 tests being done on the product, so it's not going to break and it's not going to be non-functional. And you can also see the amount of traction on the products. So you have some good product shots over here. The reason CJ is great is because they edit most of the product shots before they put them on the platform, so we don't have to remove watermarks like we would on AliExpress. But this is a cool product to sell. Okay, I'd really recommend to sell it. As with everything in this video, everything is going to be centered around your marketing. Okay, so it's all about you appeal to your customers. You need to outline your demographic, your target audience. I've already given you an example of that before you sell any of these products. Okay, and the last one of these top 5 dropshipping products for this month is just a pretty fun product, right? We've all seen these over time. People in dropshipping, they've always tried to sell these crazy fruit and vegetable peelers, and these are just some of my favorites. Okay, a lot of these won't sell if you market them really badly. This is one product which could really work, or it might not work if you just do a really bad ad video. But these are sellable because they have a crazy gimmick to them, okay? And it does solve the problem that nobody likes cutting vegetables or fruit. I know in my house, my parents always ask us if we want to do it because nobody actually likes doing it. So this is a product which people would actually enjoy to buy. And as you can see, basically there's a few different modes, and you basically shear and blend different vegetables, skin them. You can see them using it over here. It's almost like a blender with a rotor in it too, which is super cool. They're cutting a few different types of vegetables. They're slicing carrots. They're shearing like cabbage and all of these greeneries. So this is a really cool product. It's also extremely small, might I add too. It has a small cup. It's just a small handheld device. So it's very easy to pack with you if you want to go on holiday. It's a portable device, and it's easy just to prepare food and vegetables very quickly. You have an ordinary type and then the tornado style. So these are 2 different versions of the product, and it shows you basically the pros of each type of product. I'd recommend selling this because I think that would just look way more interesting on a video than this. The left one looks kind of boring, so I recommend using this. You have all your information on here. I don't even really have to explain it. This particular product page, it shows you there's a high-speed motor with an open feeding port. The ingredients length you can use is unlimited, so this guy's got some really long green chilies that he's using. This guy's also using it basically for soup. Like he's pouring out, I think this is soup or a really thick juice. I'm not really sure, but it says delicate degree can be directly used as baby's daily complimentary food. So this shreds things so fine that you can use it for baby food. So you could also market this to mothers, or you can market it to cooks, chefs, housewives, or people who are doing the cooking at home. It's waterproof, so that's one pro you can use in the product's description. It has a large battery life, which is something which a lot of people don't like if something dies very quickly. So that's another pro of the product. And all of these action shots are already there for you. These are great. These are perfect for using in your store. I always tell people you want to use a lot of professional images with a white background, but you also want to make some action shots or shots in real life of someone using the product. So it looks like people can see it being used, then they can imagine them using it too. This product page has both of those types of images, so just use that to your advantage, guys. So that's going to conclude this video on the top 5 winning products to sell with dropshipping on your store in November 2022 for Q4. These products will always work as well at the end of the year in December. These aren't seasonal products, these are evergreen products, but right now during Black Friday and Q4 we've got Christmas coming up as well. These are products which you can really sell and try and push to get those sales. Okay, these are not seasonal products. Next month in December I will try and include some Christmas products you can sell too, just to take advantage of that 1 month leading up till the end of the year. Check these products out. Let me know if you've actually tried to sell any of these, if you actually were successful or if you failed, what you think you did wrong or what you think you did right, and also any other cool products you want to share. Let people know about those in the descriptions below. If you have any questions questions about these particular products, how you can market them and how you can sell them, or any questions about this video, let me know in the comments below too, and I'll try and answer them as soon as possible. In return, you can just subscribe to the channel, which you might want to do anyway, because I'm working on a completely free dropshipping course, which should be coming out in the next few weeks. It's going to be around 2 to 3 hours. It's going to be completely free. It's going to have just as much, if not more information than most YouTubers' courses that they actually charge you for. So that's going to be great value. I'm releasing that entirely free because it benefits me by growing the channel. So it's mutually beneficial, and it gives you guys free value on how you can get started and save some money that you would usually pay for a course and just spend that on actually marketing your store. So if that interests you, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll catch you next time.